Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're taking a look here at Terra Classic, seeing what's going on, helping understand best practice, big picture, and just generally speaking, where's this going to go next? It's performing very, very well in the last 24 or 48 hours, especially after that retracement back down to that 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. So we're going to talk about that and, of course, if this can sustain itself. Definitely looking very positive though, okay? So if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I love teaching people to trade. I hope you can learn something here today. You want to become a better trader? CryptoCash.tech is a website linked down below where you can effectively become a better trader. I have a trading academy, community, and signals group where we all learn and grow together. We've got day trades coming in the community here too as well later today once we get our website guys to flip that switch. So we're good to go. It's looking awesome. Very, very high success rate with those. Be sure to check that out. And obviously, if you haven't already, register for BINGX using my link. And you can get a $100 trading bonus with no volume or deposit required. And this is basically our pivot from KYC requirement from Bybit. There is no KYC or VPN in Canada, Europe, Oceania, US, and UK. Cool stuff there. So thanks again, BINGX, for getting that opportunity over to our community members. We'll have copy trading and signals coming through BINGX as well in the near future. So with Terra Classic, what we want to look at is a couple of things. First of all, we are staying and maintaining over 50 on the RSI. I mentioned this in the previous videos, how important it is to maintain that level. That's that 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level that we bounced off of on previous charts. We can see more money flowing into the charts as well here, or into the coin, of course. Reflected on the charts here, the money flow index. Okay, so awesome stuff there. We can see the convergence here is still converging. We got this interesting castle pattern. Just kidding, I made that up, but it does kind of look like a castle, doesn't it? Cool stuff. All right, anyways, regards to that fact, we can see here, of course, that Terra Classic's looking good on the macro, right? The daily looks fantastic. We're up over the 50 and the 20-day SMA. We got the 20 moving in its way up there. And just keep in mind, we'll have the 200 as a potential resistance level at roughly about 14,000. I'm summarizing there and rounding up significantly, but 14,000 is roughly where it's at right now. We're a little ways from that, okay? Don't got to worry about that guy for a little while, but that could be a resistance level later. Let's go ahead and draw some new fibs here, of course, make sure we got some more relevant time frames here. And kind of see what's going on, because we can see that halfway point there being a point of contention where the price had difficulty passing this level of about 9,900. So we could just say 10,000 is an easy number to remember. 10,000 is potentially the support level right now, because it's at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. We take a quick look though here at the larger picture too. You can see we had some resistance there previously at this level, and that could reaffirm itself as a support. So somewhere between 98 and 10,000 should be a key level support there. So you're gonna have a stop loss, put your stop loss just below those levels to ensure that you get, if we hit that level, then we're moving down anyways, no big deal. You take a small loss, but you don't you don't take a large loss, right? That's the key, is to minimize your loss, maximize your gains. Anyways, just some strategy there. That's a good place to put a potential stop loss. That being said, taking a look at the 4-hour, what we want to identify is a few things. First of all, the 4-hour looks pretty good here. We did see a nice little bounce off of 49/50 on the RSI. Still looking good on our way up. We got some room for growth there, so we got more potential for legs up. We can also see here on TD sequential, we're only 4-hour candlesticks into this continuation. So 16 out of 36 hours of continuation here so far. We have potential for 20 more hours of upside. Now again, there's no guarantees we're going to hit that, but just note that in most cases, when you are trending like this positively, we're looking very good to be able to see the price action continue further. So awesome stuff there. Be sure to consider a long position versus a short at this point, because we got some more room left in the tank. We can also see a significant convergence here on the MACD as well. So keep in mind, Bitcoin is doing well today, and Terra Classic is too, but it's not like it's a stark comparison. Okay? The reason why I like to bring this up here is because Bitcoin having a little bit of positivity, it wasn't too much of a catalyst to cause this to go up like this, right? Bitcoin's pulling back where Terra Classic is still going up. So that's a very, very positive sign. There's some independence there, and it's looking good in the overall sense here, where we could very well see the price action continue higher from Terra Classic, just giving us more indication that we're probably still on the right side of the tracks if you're going to go with the long position. Try not to short into this, of course. Obviously, Bitcoin dumps to 25,000, different story altogether. However, Terra Classic isn't exuding those kind of qualities, and it should definitely continue to maintain itself. So take a look at the 1 hour. Let's go and wrap this up here. We can see with each Ichimoku cloud, green light, lagging spans free and clear, conversion lines above the baseline. We got good momentum, and we're also well above the cloud here. Once again, the cloud is consolidating right there between 0.382 and 0.5 Fibonacci. Very standard stuff, and that's really good. That's basically telling us we're on the right side of tracks once more. So every single time frame right now is giving us bullish confirmation. It's not 100% certainty, but it is definitely like a 60, 70, 80% probability on each time frame that we're looking really good. So to me, this is a very positive sign here. Last thing we do want to note is potential overextension. We can see we're at an 8 on TD sequential. So there's no doubt that with us being 8 hours into a potential 9 to 13 hour continuation that we might see a resistance level soon. So just keep in mind, this area here has been a difficulty area, a difficult area for it to pass. We've had a lot of difficulty at the 10,200 mark. That's roughly right where we're at. So unless this candle can come up here and come back down to consolidate, we may see a rejection when the price comes back down to key level supports and bounces from that. Okay, we could probably see that reflected on Elliott wave is my guess, where we got these levels here where the price would pull back. We're on basically phase number 3 of a potential 5 phase there for one leg down and one more leg up. Okay, so it would make sense to see a retracement before the next key bounce. Also keep in mind too, this is very common as well with these type of Elliott waves. You can see a potential for cup and handle pattern where the price action could and very well should continue itself lower to fulfill that. Okay, so again, awesome stuff here. I love to see it. Really cool patterns. You've got my blessing to go long on Terra Classic. It's definitely a consideration. May even do so for our community here. Who knows? We've got a couple open positions as well with Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. So congrats to our community members who are currently in profit there. I hope you learned something here today. Once again, cryptocash.tech is a site if you want to become a better trader. Take advantage of our BINGX giveaway. There's only a few slots left available. And obviously, we look forward to working with you. If you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site. I hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks again for your time. See you soon.